Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com, and today I want to talk to you about sales strategies. So I got to go to a mastermind event. I am in a high-end mastermind. Best decision I've made is to join a mastermind and be surrounded by amazing people who are pushing me and challenging me to be more, and I'm learning so much. It's been amazing. So we actually had a guest speaker. His name is Navas, and he is a sales ninja. You need to go check him out. So one of the things that he said is that a lot of times we're focusing on the process when we're selling our products and services and not the transformation. And so keeping in mind that your client, they're not buying a website, they're buying what the website does for them. So assuming you're selling websites, right? And so what does the website do for them? It's going to bring them more clients and an extra $20,000 in sales. So a lot of times when we're selling stuff, we're talking about the features and the benefits of whatever it is we're selling. I want you to stop doing that and to focus on the transformation. So when somebody goes through your course, works with you, your program, your offer, whatever it is that you're selling, where are they ultimately going to be? What is the transformation? And you need to cast that vision for them of, by going through this process, you're going to end up here. Let me make sure I got all my notes. So one of the things that he says to do is we're not selling the means to the end, we're selling the end. Okay, super important. And to move away from information to transformation. Information is free, but transformation is priceless. So I want you to think about all of your core messaging that you're doing, whatever it is that you're selling, your sales page, whatever it is. Are you talking too much about the information, the features, and the benefits? And how can you change that to focusing on the transformation? By going through this process, this is where you're going to be. And so I do this with my Pinterest course, right? I don't say you're going to be getting 52 videos and yada yada worksheets, and nobody cares about that. I say by going through this process, you're going to get more leads and sales on autopilot by using Pinterest. So always think about what's the transformation, what's the end goal, where do my people want to be, and focus on that. I hope you found this helpful. Tag me on Instagram, send me a DM, say hi, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.